Okay, so what's up guys? So I decided to use it for the first time. You can see here I have everything I need right now. So I already put inside the liquid that is going to be, the clean is going to be much, the washing machine is going to be great. This thing is for the smell, by the way. This is the ultra fresh Maxim Berekech. And this is actually from, if you care about this. The only thing I really don't like it when I clean this thing, it's you need to put power. And I use this thing, by the way. I don't use I use this tab. I already put here 2 of them, by the way. And then he told me if I want, you can use the quick. So the quick here is the mix. So you can see it's working. You can see everything like that. And then we're going to put the mix. It's supposed to be like it's 40 kilos. It's going to work. I don't know exactly, maybe an hour, maybe less. I don't know exactly. You going to use. You have temperature here, by the way. 60. You have 40. And then you have 30, you have the 20, you have the cone, you have nothing. But inside you have 90 degrees, 60 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees, 20 degrees, and nothing. And then of course we have here, this thing is like, you have the spin. You want to take all the water. In Hebrew we say schita. So in the end, this thing is like 1,400, 1,200, 1,800, 600, and 4,000. So I think I'm going to use the 800. I don't need more than that. And then you have the speed perfect. If you put this thing, it's going to be less hours, which means it's going to be 1 hour and something like that. But I really want to try this thing. So, and we are in the mix. You can see here, by the way, if you're from Israel, you can see this thing like that. And you have 4 kilos. It's in 1 hour. Before it told me less than 1 hour. But let's try this thing for the first time. We are going to close, put stop, and this thing is going to work. So for the first time, Bosch Serie 4. This is the noise, by the way. Little bit noisy, but this thing is going to be great. I hope so. And yeah, my top is going there for some reason. I have 2 of them, by the way. I put this thing too. And all of this thing is looking great. So this thing will take 1 hour. Now I have like a timer, because in the end, back then I didn't have timer, so I didn't know when this thing is going to finish. So let's try this thing. I have a lot of long t-shirts. So you can see I have one problem. The capsule is stuck here, and the reason why this thing is because the capsules of Persil, they are not 100% great. They happen a lot of times, so I don't know exactly how to fix this thing. I think I can freeze this thing and then put something inside. I don't know exactly, but yeah. So you can see it's really, you can hear this thing is really, really quiet. The only thing I really don't like this tag, and it's really disappointing, so I decided to put this thing in here. You can put, it's not that bad. So let's try this thing. Nothing will happen. Also, you can see we put a little bit in here. And here, by the way, you can put in one. This is like extra. And when water is going to be in, this thing will work also. And we are going to close this thing by. Okay, so in the 23 minutes, you can see it's putting water inside. You can see already take in here the soap, so it's great. So it's means it's going to work. So you can see this is the last 4 minutes. Overall, the thing was at least 1 hour. And yeah, it's depending on the temperature. If you have 40 less, it's going to be much quicker. You can see here the noise, you can hear the noise. And yeah, so a little bit noisy because there is nothing in this laundry room, I think so. And yeah, so let's wait until it's going to smell, everything like that. I really want to try this thing. And you can see inside, by the way, take a lot of the smell, the Ariel stuff, I don't know exactly. And yeah. So it is another thing I really like by my old LG. I think it was a little bit quiet, I think so. And the other thing, when it's done, you have a lot of special noise like in here. Like you have like doot, and the door is open. Now it's in. I think I can open this thing. Yeah, you can see I reopen this thing. Inside, this is my clothes, and yeah, smell is great. I think they did the job. I don't know exactly, but you can see here, by the way, everything like that. Yeah, it's smelling great. You can see I have here the soap for some reason, and overall this thing looking great. And yeah, so if I like it, yes. If it's complicated to use this thing, hell yeah. And the other thing I really don't like it when they do bring this thing is scratch here, but you cannot see. Maybe something like that. I don't know exactly. No, but never mind. This is a machine. It's going to work. So I really don't care. In the end, I like it. The machine, yes. You can see I already use like 4 kilos, something like that. And for the first time, it's looking great. A little bit noisy. I already said that. Noisy. And yeah, so I hope you like it, this video, and see you next time. And yeah, I want to put this thing to dry, and yeah, thanks for watching.